Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something special from Taiwan. This is Little Couple's Dry Noodle Fish Head Casserole. It's kind of a flavor that you're not going to see so much in the US, but that doesn't mean it's not going to be super good. In fact, I'm going to tell you right now, most of the flavors that aren't normally here, I don't know why they're not. It's like duck. Why don't we have duck everywhere, folks? I don't understand it. Duck is delightful. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes for the noodle. I like the packaging. Really fancy. I've met them. Here's good stuff. At least it looks like it'll be good stuff. So, let's see, we need a fork. I wasn't exactly sure what to add in. It kind of looked like there was a fish ball in it, but I could be wrong. That could have been a mushroom. I'm not sure. But I am adding fish ball, an egg, some scallions, maybe some seeds. I don't know. How's your day going? I am beat. We're getting a new couch, and phase 1 of new couch occurred earlier. The old couch was removed, so now we're just waiting for the new couch. Whoa, don't boil up. Right. I guess we got time for this episode. I forgot last episode, I apologize, to do the quote of the day. From the book Momo Fukuando Speaks, quotations from the man who invented the instant noodle. Dry noodle's a little different. First off, it's not fried, and that's the whole concept of the instant noodle. Yeah, this guy was originally from Taiwan. No fooling. So. Let's see, number 7? No, number 8? Yeah, number 8. Giving up the job after a single failure is like offering more money to a thief. Let's do number 9 since we skipped it last time. If you fall down, don't just stand back up. Get back up with at least a handful of dirt in your hand. That is nice. Yeah. Well, allergies are still killing my wife and I. Slowly but surely, our lives will end within the next 6 to 8 weeks because of allergies, I think. Drive me nuts. It's like I went out walking, and it's like after about 10 minutes, it's just like my right eye, it's just like a waterfall. It won't stop. And what else is going on? New couch coming. That's exciting. Got my new shoes. Gave him a bit of a break 'em in stroll yesterday. That hurt. Gave him a go this morning. That worked a bit better. They'll have to excuse me. My nose is just killing me. And one of my shoe lights broke. Oh no. So I had to order new ones. Those should be coming today. And my new sandals will be here today. It's all about feet. Feet, foot and feet. It's important. I apologize. I must blow my nose. I know, it's like the rudest thing you can do is like blow your nose. My mom used to do that at the dinner table and it drove me nuts. I miss my mom. On the 30th of this month, it'll been a year since she died, and what was I doing on the 30th of last year? Doing my first million step month. And well, yeah. So that sucked. I got the phone call right as I was like tying my shoes to go out and like seal it and get my million steps. And it's like, okay, well, I'm still doing it. But I did it last month and I'm going to do it this month too. So, good stuff. But yeah, I miss my mom. And I'm just, hopefully things will get back to normal soon. It's been so warm outside. It's nice. Just need all the junk in the air to go away. I've got a headlamp. Now, when I went out this morning, you could see all the particulate matter in the air. It was gross. It's like, wow, I'm breathing this like the whole time I'm out here, and it's like, oh man. Just did a couple unboxing videos this morning. Gotta edit those. Gotta make time for everything that I don't make time for. I tell you, doing 60,000 steps takes like 10 hours? No, almost. It's a lot of work, a lot of time. On Friday I did 70,000. That's my most I've ever done in one day. My feet were not happy. Mostly my right foot. I guess I use my right leg more than my left, but if you're walking, doesn't it seem kind of like you use both of them? So here's our sachet of flavor for this. Scoot over and add it in. It mentioned something about adding, excuse me, a little liquid. But not much. But so when I drained it, I didn't use a huge amount of this stuff, so that should make a difference. Fish head casserole. I love these noodles. Got that nice little, look at that. Little scalloped edge. Beautiful. I've got a lot of Taiwanese varieties right now, which makes me really happy. And I just got a bunch of Malaysian and Thai stuff in. That's excitement right there. Okay. Smells good. Definitely got a unique scent to it. I'm not one to say unique like unique as in it smells unique. You know, I like unique scents. I'm not familiar with this taste, so I'm definitely sensing some spices going on here. There's some star anise. It did mention it had clam extract and flounder. It's light. It's not like knock you down and punch you in the face strong of a flavor, but it's good. And the texture of these noodles is freaking to die for. This is where it's at. This is the Taiwanese style of noodle I really like. Nice and broad, and just with that nice little edge. The edge is super thin, and there's like a main vein down the middle that's a little bit thicker. So it's almost like you get a double mouthfeel to it. It's great. Very nice. Impressed. Love it. Thank you. I think most people in the U.S., well, at least Westerners, would be like, fish head casserole. I don't know. I hear something like that, I'm like, ooh, bring it on. Absolutely. I just heard my daughter just exclaim, the baby has 2 heads. Got fish ball that I was gonna throw in here. Nestle that in like one here. Yeah, nest-like. The southern reticulated nesting fish ball, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Now let's let the holy slicer do its tricks. Back over here. Oh yeah, we got an egg. Yeah, after you're done with your lunch. Can we watch something else? Absolutely. Finish your lunch. Egg, soft boiled by my lovely wife with a little bit of Yamasa soy sauce. 2 nights. Was it 2? Yeah, that's 2. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this spicy chili sauce I have here. Put some right. Like that. That sounds good to me. I think I might have to eat this. Like all of it. Would you eat that? I think you'd be an absolute fool not to. Alright. Time for tunes. not that one. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Little Couples Dry Noodle for sending that along. They've also got a nice chicken rice flavor variety that I'll be doing coming up soon. There's going to be, yeah, more Little Couples, more Kung Fu Noodle, more, what do they call it? Mom's Dry Noodle, a couple neat new varieties of that. So, yeah, I'm excited. From Malaysian, Thai, Japanese, it's all coming at you soon, so stay tuned. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.